We're over here today walking La Cueva Trail. I had a fall last night and kind of bruised my tailbone and my elbow, and I wanted to pick an easy path to walk today. So we're picking one of the smoothest, easiest paths we know in our local mountain, and it happens to be going to a cave. I doubt if we get that far, but come along with us and enjoy the hike. It's easy going downhill, isn't it?
Yep, it is. Are we going downhill in this one?
It's all the way down.
It's already dried up.
Yeah.
It was that desert plants that used to be yellow this summer.
This is the kind of gravel that gets in your shoe.
Well, it's not so bad.
But I prefer it over the bigger rocks.
Well, you don't want to just stay on toes. Hey, look, there's some signs there.
Yeah.
Little Leaf Sumac. But there isn't any leaf there and there.
Yeah. Well, it hasn't come up yet.
There's no little leaf there to look at.
It's the, what is it, the 3rd?
The 3rd of March, yes.
3rd of March? Yeah.
Look how dry these are. These are the ones that our arm gets you these.
These are, yeah.
Yeah.
These are those armored buffalo. We call them buffalo grass, but
Well, I said you they're great Velcro fasteners. Because they
yeah,
sure
if you
will
like Velcro
stick
stuck
you.
to your skin.
They're like little thorns. They're arm guards.
Yeah, Velcro stuck to your skin. Such fine little needles.
Get you for
Amazing.
sure. There's more signs here, but no plant. What kind of plant is that? A broom snakeweed. That must be that over there in the purple. Not
I
purple,
got a
right?
feeling it's gone. Looks like someone dug it up.
Someone dug it up.
Yeah, sure does.
Look at the mountains. Sure look different from yesterday, huh?
Yeah. Well, yesterday we were on the other side of these mountains.
I mean the day before. On the first.
Yeah.
That's where you're walking. Coyote droppings.
Yeah.
You
what
can
it
tell
is.
that it's coyotes that's dried with lots of seeds in it.
Poor little coyotes have to eat seeds. Can't catch a rabbit. You know that?
I haven't seen a rabbit. You think there's rabbits in here right now?
Well, I know there's lots of rabbits, but I don't know. Maybe they're hibernating or something.
Well, I think they do hibernate at winter time.
Yeah. Do they really? I mean, I didn't know that for a fact. But
There's something in that. It might be hibernating.
yeah, it's always easy going downhill.
Yeah, well,
Oh.
slow down when you come up. You don't have to make a fast run up stream. It's gonna dry this year though. Hasn't rained
Yeah,
for a while.
that's a fact. Many months. Today's high was supposed to be, what, 80? 81?
77,
Oh, 77 today?
77. See, there's a bench over there for
Yeah.
older folks. You
Yeah.
get tired or you need to rest.
I guarantee I'll be taking that bench when I come back.
Oh, that's okay. Take the bench. Nothing bad about that. There's another sign there. What does it say? White horn acacia. Oh, so that's what it's called. You know, this one has this little fine round leaf. And now it's kind of
It's just full of thorns, what it
Thorns.
is.
Is what it is. Is your camera picking it up? Just thorns? It's got
Yeah,
yellow
I think
flowers.
so.
You want me to use mine?
No, I think this picks it up. Got lots of thorns on it.
Oh, the thorns are really, really low on this one, Chip.
And
My
they're small.
goodness.
I mean, they look sharp.
They are sharp. They're like what?
Use them for a needle.
I would say so. 2 inches?
Yeah.
2 inches? Everything's dead in here. It's not.
Yeah.
It's not a live one. For sure hibernating. But the thorns. So the name on that is acacia. White thorn acacia. It's got yellow flowers in the spring when it comes up. White thorn acacia.
Here's that chair.
I remember. And here's another one. It's so similar to it. Cat claw mimosa.
Oh, that's too much. I mean, it looks just like the other plant. I wouldn't know the difference.
Or is it the one behind it?
Yeah, I don't know. Somebody took a lot of time to identify this stuff.
Yes, it's got to be a biologist or something. We'll come back in the spring and take footage of it and
Yeah.
you can see it live. I see a biologist went through here and marked
Yeah.
stuff.
I'm kind of glad we're walking. It helps my hip some from that fall.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, loosen up some, you know, get your circulation going. You might heal a little faster.
Yeah.
Now we know what that is. See,
Yeah.
our knowledge is good in this. What does it say here? Yep,
Fish hook, barrel
fish hook
cast.
barrel cactus. It definitely is a fish hook.
Yep.
Is your camera picking up the fish hook?
Oh yeah.
It's right here. There's
can
a
bet on
fish
it.
hook.
Yep.
You could definitely use that as a fish hook. If you can, if you
It's
can.
not hooked enough to be a fish hook. Not in my opinion. But it's hooked. It's dead clearly
Some of
hooked.
these are real hook back here. Look.
Only thing is, where's the fish?
Right. You don't have any lakes here. I guess if you want some fish hooks, native fish hooks, you use
When you
that.
find the hooks, you don't find the fish.
I'm not so sure who's gonna get hooked, you or the fish.
Yeah, well, yeah.
That looks lethal
How
though.
about people hook?
People hook?
Instead of a fish hook, people hook.
People. Okay. A little breeze coming.
Yeah. This sure is pretty today though.
Yeah.
I mean, the view is pretty. If you look out about 60 miles, you know, you can see many mountain ranges.
You know the mountain. You know, we haven't really gone into the Gila, gone in. You want to go? I think we've already got our vaccinations. You want to go sometime?
You could do it, but you gotta find a place to stay.
We can stay in a hotel.
Yeah, well,
Bring our own.
the only hotels I know of are in Silver City.
Oh no, you got some over there up on top, Jeff.
What,
Not
up?
Silver City. Oh, we can stay at Silver City. They got some private hotels there.
Well, they got Silver Cities. And Silver City has hotels, no problem. But I mean, the Gila is the wilderness area.
True. You can go to the Gila Wilderness area for the day and, you know, launch and leave from Silver City. It's doable.
Yeah,
You want to do that?
sure.
Okay.
I think the car will make it.
I think it's going to make it
You
too.
got an old car. Hell, it's 79 Thunderbird.
Oh, look
What?
at all the
What?
seeds. It's what is the type of plant that looks like an eggplant? It looks with purple flowers. I forgot the name of it.
I can't remember
This
it.
is what happens
They
to
grow
them.
along the river.
Nightshade,
Yeah,
and they're now seeding. It's yellow.
yeah.
nightshade. It goes along the Rio Grande pretty well. Yeah, let's go to Gila. Would you like to do that?
Close enough by, but
Here's the desert sage. It's still pretty dry.
it's a day's ride. You know it is.
Desert sage.
You get there,
Well, we can do that. Day's ride.
you know, you won't see anything because it'll take a day to get to Silver City, and then the next day you can see the wilderness, and you'll probably want to stay overnight.
Yeah, 2 nights.
Yeah, two
Or
nights.
2 or 3 nights. We'll do 3 nights. You know, I'm thinking you should go up the day for Silver City, right?
Yeah.
Then you go up to the Gila. Might be kind of neat to explore Silver City. I think they have a museum there.
We've been in Silver City. I mean, I
You are?
remember Silver City pretty clearly.
Was a long time ago, though.
Yeah, but that town's built around that, I don't know, river. I call it a river.
Right, but
That
they have
runs
a
through the town.
You know, they have a university there, Eastern, which is part of a New Mexico State University's cluster of universities. There's some hikers. It's okay. Why don't you go ahead?
Well, they aren't afraid of us. Why should we be afraid of them?
Keep our distance, okay?
Yeah,
Keep it on the other side. Give them some more.
I'm going to put them on candid camera here. That's what's going to happen.
No, that's okay. Honey mesquite. No, this is a mesquite.
What, this one right here?
This is mesquite, yes. Not acacia, but mesquite. There's a kind of little nodules over here. Nodules, that is. They are armed. Did you see the thorns on that? I can do a close up on this one. I can do a close up. The thorns on this
I
one.
think everything out here is armed.
Yeah, this one's pretty
Hi.
armed. You got it's thorny for sure.
You taking a video of me or the hikers?
Both.
Okay, well, I got you too.
Yeah?
You're looking at my pretty wife right now, 42 years. Been married 42 years. And best years of my life.
That's so
So-
nice. You always say the nicest things.
Yeah. I'm going to say another corny thing. Best day of my life was the day you were born.
Oh, that is
Okay,
so nice.
so there you go.
You're gonna get a good dinner.
Am I? Okay, all right.
You're good.
By the way, we're pretty close to the same age. There's 2 years difference between us. And I'm not going to give away your age because I'm not going to tell you how old I am either. So you just have to look at the picture and guess.
You know?
You can see the cave from here. See those people over there hanging out in the cave?
Oh, yeah. Let me see if I can.
Now your camera would catch it, but this one won't. But it's over there.
I'll get the people there.
Yeah. You know, I thought that was a person, but I'm starting to think that's a sign over there by that cave.
It's a person.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah. I'm zooming in.
Check out these mountains. It's overcast today, though.
But that's good because when
Yeah.
it's overcast, that means that you can walk better.
Yeah. But
It's not so hot.
you know, they used to mine in around these mountains. They, I think it might have first been silver, and then it ended up being lead. A lot of mining for lead. And it wasn't that long ago, actually.
There's still mining implements out there when we walk, remember?
Yeah,
Remember we passed some of those?
yeah.
We just kind of left them there, I guess, and it's too hard to haul it back up, back down the valley. See, look, the guy's walking. See?
Yeah, I can see it now.
That's not a sign.
Yeah.
He's walking about.
He's coming up from the other parking lot.
Yeah, he's got another friend with him. I think he was taking a photo or video, so he was still. And you might have thought it was a post because he's got a white shirt.
Yeah. In the way distant background there, you can see the city of Las Cruces. So now you know the Organ Mountains are adjacent next to the city of Las Cruces in New Mexico.
Looks like somebody has eaten some of it.
A wabbit.
A wabbit.
Probably a wabbit.
They don't bother. The thorns doesn't bother them, does it?
Not too much, I think. Or they'll find a place that doesn't have too many. Yep.
You can just do all that, you know? Yeah, the yellow flower.
Oh, look what I got here.
What's that?
It thinks I'm a flower.
Oh yeah, it's.
It's one of those little.
Hold on. You stay. It's a hummingbird moth.
Yeah. It thinks I'm a flower. Oh, ooh, not up my arm. Oh, he's on your camera now.
Okay. He's so cute. Oh my goodness,
They
he's
tickle,
cutie.
don't they?
They
Tickles.
tickle.
Yeah.
Tickle.
All right.
I think my nail polish is a flower. Oh, that's so nuts.
Oh, now he's on your backpack. No, he's going away now.
No, he's in your shirt again.
On the back of my shirt?
Oh, he's in my hand again. Get him if you can.
I'm giving you a kiss. No, now he's in your eyes. It is a hummingbird moth, though.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
That's so neat.
How neat.
It's very neat because it's so flowering and his touch is so gentle. It's like air breathing on you.
Yeah.
It's neat.
He's hanging out on my gimbal.
Let me see. Come. Try to get him. Oh, my face. It's beautiful though. It's just gray and peach color.
Yeah.
I hope you got them on yours.
I'm pretty sure I did.
In a neat way. Nature comes to you.
Yeah.
The hummingbird moth. You know, that's the kind of moth we saw out in the road with the yellow caterpillars that
Is it?
people run over.
That's not good.
No, that's why I think they build not too many roads around here. That's so neat. I've never met a hummingbird moth that came like that.
No, they usually don't. That's a little one, though. They're usually quite a bit bigger than that.
No, it's like the size of a hummingbird, a lot bigger.
Yeah.
It must be a baby one, down in the better.
Yeah.
Baby moth doesn't know any better. Desert sage, that's the name of that flower, dead flowers right now. They used to be yellow. You know, these are gonna be really beautiful in the spring, Chip. Because all of these will wake up and they'll be yellow.
Well, if we can get some rain, it'll really be beautiful.
Maybe around April.
I hope so. Be nice.
It's been a dry winter, you know. We saw a coyote the other day.
And here, we saw deer on the other side of the mountain.
And a whole herd of them. That was neat. That was yesterday, Chet.
Yeah. Well, you want to go to the ring and take a rest and then head back? Or?
Yeah, let's do that, because you know, I don't want to tire you. How's your leg doing?
I'm there. It's feeling okay.
Feeling okay?
I'll probably feel it going back up.
Well, you know, just do it slowly. Don't have We're in a hurry. This is fish cocktail, okay?
Yeah, another one, huh?
Somebody gonna nibble it on it.
Yeah.
Look at the sheer face of that rock. You have to climb up to get to the cave,
Yeah,
Indian cave.
I know.
Now we scaled that many times before.
Many times. Going up and down, and it's slippery. That's a fact.
I'd say that if you want to go back to the Indian cave, you go from that direction and not scale this wall here.
Yeah.
That's slippery in there. Your feet might just give way, you know.
Yeah. The other way is not that much better because you have to go right along the side of that.
There
that mountain
are
up there.
spots in there that's kind of tricky.
Yeah. You can't see it, but there's people way down there. They take the upper trail to get to that cave. But yeah. Well, you want to take a little break?
Oh yeah. Oh, you want some water? I brought some.
Yeah, let's take a little break.
Okay, here we are, and we're going to take the way back the same way. So we are at the La Cueva Trail. I'm having a lifesaver in my mouth, so if I seem a little bit lisping, it's because I got a piece of candy. But we are on our way back. So anyways, it's been a good day. It's a little bit overcast, but a good hike. So anyways, it's just a stroll actually. We're on our way back.
Folgers, get to the last drop. Is that Folgers or Maxwell House?
It's Folgers.
So Maxwell House is blacka blacka black black blacka black black, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Black black blacka black black. Maxwell House and Folgers get to the last.
Sally, eh? Good to see you smile.